In this video, I will show you how to log in to Trust Wallet. So go ahead and open your Trust Wallet app or access Trust Wallet on your browser. And after that, click on Create New Wallet or Add Existing Wallet. And I'm just going to log in to my already existing wallet. So I'm going to click on Add Existing Wallet. But if you don't have a wallet yet, then please check my other video called How to Create Trust Wallet Account. And there I will show you exactly how you do this. So for this video, I'm going to click on Add Existing Wallet. And right now I need to enter my passcode. And after I'm going to continue. So there are actually three options on how you can log in with your Trust Wallet, and that is by secret phrase, Swift, or iCloud backup. And I have my secret phrase backed up, so I'm going to log in with my secret phrase. So I'm going to click on this, and in order to continue, you need to check these three boxes and then click on continue. Right now you need to select the network of your wallet. So it is really important that before you log out, you always back up your wallet. And the best way to do that is by writing down your network of your wallet and your recovery phrase. And if you want to know which network your wallet is in, you need to look under your wallet name, and there it will say which network it is. And in most cases, it will be a multi-coin wallet. So that is also in my case. So I'm going to click on this. And here I need to paste in the secret phrase of my wallet. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to click on Restore Wallet. So I've successfully restored my wallet, and this made me log into my Trust Wallet. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.